ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka BDWS Career Academy kan penlong ya Meghalaya Scholastic Aptitude Test haka khatan riu tarik upanai March haka porshi phobajem step hashulong tura but clear.
Shuwa bagi Eleksyon MP Lok Sabha kan long. Ngut ke Nongïalam ke All India Trinamool Congress ni ke TMC ke bana Khasi hus la Risain no haka khandai trik luber jar phusau. Ngut ke Nongïalam ki kinthop yo advisor jaga motion ram block Vincent T Sangma u president jaga motion road block u Justin G Momin baru president jaga jirang block u Sun Moon di Marang. Baru ngut ke lepin pau bakadau ke jing no jongki ya ke TMC kedai kadau shiman bat ki kuak benlong ke balai luit bentri kam hakasan perthei kakum ke bo jongki hi shiman. Hadu minta ki bat perkhat jaga duka parti bikin le yesno hendak kilong bikin don hasenda jong Dr. Mukul Sangma.
Actually, we three of us from Khasi we tender our resignation today from Trinamool Congress, and we have a personal view, personal face. So we don't have anyone in the years, and nothing has been done by the Trinamool Congress right now. So we don't have any enemy also. We don't have a rival, but due to our personal reason, like we are resigning today from the Trinamool Congress party. So we have the budgets. So we accepted, and we said like we'll forward to our president, Charles Pinto, and after that we'll be meeting Dr. Sabha also, the former Chief Minister of Meghalaya. So we'll discuss with him also for this resignation, and after that, like after discussion, like we'll call the press meeting together, like what is the number against resignation, what is the reason between the resignation. Only that thing, like we won't say anything beyond the party, but it's only us, three of us. We were eager to left the party because we have other works, social works, and even private works are there. So we can't do that. So it's not that like we are joining other parties, but we'll see what happens next. Whenever like our Trinamool Congress party is going to shift to other parties, so we'll be there. We'll support the Trinamool Congress party, and we'll support Dr. Sabha, Charles Pinto, everyone. Only that is the thing. Like we three of us, we discussed, and after that we had a meeting, and we were eagerly. We want freedom, and we want to work independently. That's a thing. Only that's a thing. Thank you.
My brother sir, Sami, who is the candidate of Jirang Khasi, said, yes, we take a decision, three of us, to take a resign from the Trinamool Congress. It is not a decision by our three of us only, but from the grassroots, from the block. We have several, we have continued to discuss, but because of our support and because of our block grassroots level, they push us to resign from party because since there is two seats, one is Tura, one is Shillong seat. There is no putting candidate in Shillong seat. For that reason, so many coming questions from our followers, so we have no answer. That's why we want to be free from the party. Then we will take a decision along with them after resigning. So we have today already submitted a resignation. Then we will see, and Tham will say we will go other party or we will be strict in independent, or we will see. We will see after a few days.